Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Born to Speak English, the podcast that helps you become a confident English speaker. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mia. Today, we have a very important topic: how to think in English and stop translating in your head.
That's right. Many English learners struggle with this, but don't worry. We have some great tips to help you.
First, let's talk about why translating every word in your head can be a problem. When you translate, your brain works in two languages, making you slower and less fluent.
Exactly. Instead of translating, you should train your brain to think directly in English. But how do we do that?
One great way is to surround yourself with English. Listen to English music, watch TV shows, and change your phone settings to English.
Yes. The more you hear English, the more natural it becomes. You start to associate words with their meanings without thinking in your native language.
Another tip is to start thinking in simple English. For example, when you wake up, describe your morning routine in English. I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee.
That's a great exercise. And if you don't know a word, don't stop. Just use another word or describe it in English.
It may sound funny, but talking to yourself in English helps a lot. You can think out loud while doing daily tasks.
Right. For example, when cooking, say things like, I am cutting the vegetables, I need to add some salt. It trains your brain to use English naturally.
Another trick is to learn English in phrases instead of single words. For example, instead of learning make and decision separately, learn make a decision.
That makes speaking easier because you already know the right combination of words.
These tips will help you stop translating and start thinking in English. Try them and let us know how they work for you.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Born to Speak English for more fun lessons.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.